Hey everyone, this is James from Neat Geek, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble your Deathly Hallows necklace with a rotating center ring. Now we have four sizes that we make here at Neat Geek. The two smallest are single piece pendants. You don't need to assemble these, but they also don't spin. Our first one is just over 5/8 of an inch. The next size up is just a little bit over 1 inch. Now these are really awesome if you're looking for a more delicate Deathly Hallows necklace. If you want one that rotates, we have two of them available. One's our large and one's our extra large. They both have rotating center pieces. And they actually arrive in two pieces and you need to assemble them. And the reason for that is that our 3D printing partner, Shapeways, can't do moving parts in stainless steel. If they did, when they went to fire them and fuse the particles into solid metal, they would actually turn into just one piece. So, in order to make them rotate, they'll arrive in two parts. They're really easy to assemble and turn into a single necklace, and today we're going to show you how to do that. Okay, first you want to remove as much debris as possible. The metal items are polished in a vibratory tumbler with crushed walnut shells to shine them up before shipping, and sometimes the bit of shell can get stuck inside the receiving holes of the triangular parts of the pendant. Now we recommend using an X-Acto knife, but a needle or a toothpick will also work great. Now you just take a look at the pendant very closely and you try to find any debris and remove it as necessary. There may be some in the top receiving hole. There may also be some in the bottom receiving hole. You just remove that. Now you'll just take your center ring and you'll decide which of the two pins, there's one in the top and one in the bottom, you'll decide which one is the smaller of the two. I think this one looks smaller, just slightly, so I'm going to slide that one into the top receiving hole on the pendant. Now I'm going to keep it in place there. I'm going to kind of hold it and pinch it here like this and lay it flat on the table. And then, using any kind of a flat-ended tool, like this Dremel tool, you could also use a flathead screwdriver or maybe even a butter knife. I haven't tried that. You're just going to want to pry out the bottom portion of the triangle to allow the pin to slide in. You can see it's slightly bent right now. Now I'm going to try to position it into the hole. Bend it this way a little bit. Oh, and there we go. It snapped into place. So that snap meant that I got the bottom pin into the hole, like I was trying to pull off there. And now I have a rotating Deathly Hallows necklace. Now the process is almost exactly the same for our larger pendant. You just might need to use a slightly larger tool to get the job done. I'm going to make sure that there isn't any debris in the top receiving hole. Clean that out. And clean out any debris that might be in the bottom receiving hole, or any other debris that just might need to be removed from the pendant. Now I'm going to pick the smaller of the two pins. I think the top one right there is the one I want to slide into place. I put that into the top receiving hole. Again, I'm going to kind of pinch it here and hold it now down flat against the table. And now using my larger pry tool, I'm just going to pry out the bottom portion of the triangle, just like before. I take a couple tries, there we go, and it just snapped right into place. So now I have a extra large rotating Deathly Hallows necklace. Now these are made out of 3D printed stainless steel, so they will last forever. It also allows us to make the shape correctly, where the center pin actually gets larger in the middle as opposed to tapering down like some of the other ones you might see out there. Now to complete your necklace, you'll just take a jump ring and open it up like so. Best to twist it out in that direction. Take your pendant, slide the jump ring through the small opening in the top of the pendant. Add a necklace or chain of your choice. This could be something from our shop or something that you already own. Close up the jump ring and voila, you now have a Deathly Hallows necklace. Alright, if you don't already have one of our 4 Deathly Hallows necklaces, be sure to visit our site at www.neatgeek.com, where we also have tons of other great geek-inspired jewelry pieces that we're sure you'll love. Thanks for watching, and we hope you have a great day.